I've had these silicone counter gap covers for just over a year, and let me tell you, they've been a saving grace. I love that they're easily removable so I can wash them after cooking something messy on the stove. You'll notice mine are quite long and you can trim them down, but I never have as I feel it offers protection even behind my stove. You'll notice we have a huge gap between my stove and counter, and it's why I think the previous homeowners once had a bit of a wider stove, which is why there's such a large gap. But here we are. I had to do something as I wasn't going to be forever cleaning in between these large gaps. I'm not actually sure when I last cleaned out behind my stove, so I'm going to pull it out in real time so you can see how they've worked for me. So here we go. At first glance, the side of the counter isn't too bad, and there's quite a bit of dust and crumbs on the floor, which I think made their way beneath the stove. Totally expected. The sides of my stove are relatively clean. This side has several scratches and maybe a few water drips from me wiping it down nightly. It's not food. So now I'm going to take the opportunity to give my floor a good wipe down and slide my stove back. As you can see, these do the trick perfectly, and if you're in this situation, I recommend ordering these right away. You're not going to regret it.